Hi, Zach Garrett, founder and CEO of Liftify. Here we're at the Indianapolis airport. It's about 4:30 in the morning, and we are heading out to Maryland. And we're flying out there because SERVPRO Team Gutierrez just hit 1,000 Google reviews, being the first SERVPRO to reach 1,000 reviews out of any SERVPRO and over the 2,000 locations that they have. So it's a huge deal. We're excited to be with them, and we're going to bring them this awesome trophy celebrating all of their success.
Seatbacks and tray tables need to be in their full up and locked position. All carry-on luggage stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you.
My name is George Gutierrez. I'm the CEO of SERVPRO Rockville Olney. We service the DC metropolitan areas. In the beginning, I questioned the use of Google until I really started tracking it. I hear it day in and day out from customers when our office asks them, how did you hear of us? Google is by far the largest response I get.
Welcome everybody. As you all know, the first Friday of every month, we celebrate the wins. Liftify is a company that helps us with our Google reviews. So they're here to present us a very special recognition.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys for having us. So some of you may know we work with a lot of SERVPROs restoration companies. There are no SERVPROs in the whole network of over 2,000 locations that have 1,000 Google reviews, except as of last week, SERVPRO of Rockville. And so to celebrate, we made this custom trophy for you guys that you can have in your office, add to your trophy case, as not only a company that has 1,000 Google reviews, but the first SERVPRO ever to do it. So congratulations on all that.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks, man.
This is a big win. This is something that's just incredible that everybody should be extremely proud of the work they do every day. So another round of applause for everybody.
When we started with Liftify back in May, we were about 615 reviews. Since then, we are at almost 1,100 reviews. I would say to a restoration company that is on the fence with Liftify, just do it. The resources, the tools, and the coaching have been unmatched in our experience, and it'll just be a no-brainer.